Hello guys, hello everyone. How are you? Let me check whether I am audible or not. I think everything is fine. Am I audible? And that would be great. So I think everything is fine. Am I audible? And that would be great. So let me check. Hi Mehak, how are you? So guys, first of all, welcome you all to this class. So today we're gonna discuss about a quadratic equation. Again, every one of you know that quadratic equation plays a very important role in clearing your prelims examination. So I would request all of you to please share this session, everyone. It's a important session for all of you, isn't it? Okay, I've just shared it and nobody joined me yet. So guys, as all of you know, whenever I come live, I show you about our banking super practice kit, a right practice at every level. We have a quant, we have a reasoning, we have a current affairs, and these are basically included in the super elite also. We have beginners level, clerk prelims level, PO prelims level, clerk mains level, PO mains level, advanced PO mains level, past year question papers, and speed improvement revision. So everything is there, so you can just go for it and try for the go and take your practice kit. Secondly, I would say, see, if you want to go for any of the courses of Oliveboard, then I would recommend you to go for super elite. Why super elite? Because under one roof you get everything. Hi Mehak. Okay, under one roof you get everything. You get access to all the bank exams and insurance coverage, 3000 plus classes, 2000 plus tests, 3000 PDF and so exam notes, enabled 70 PYPs, full SS, premium, bold, magazines, descriptive, enabled, and whatnot. So I would recommend that go for super elite. Now today what we are going to discuss is again a very important thing. Strategies and agenda I'll discuss. So today's session is all about the quadratic, okay? Is basically quadratic equation. Now you would ask me that, sir, what is the changes you have done? Means in quadratic equation, basically what we are doing, what I am going to make you solve is that I am going to solve you the questions of SBI clerk mains. Okay, now please understand, SBI clerk mains. Why? Because SBI clerk mains can be used in SBI PO prelims. SBI PO prelims, isn't it? I thought that this should be a nice idea. If student can solve SBI PO clerk mains question, then automatically I would say that he can solve SBI PO prelims. So basically today's agenda is asking a question of SBI clerk mains. Is it true? Everyone is getting? So I am asking the questions of SBI clerk mains, and definitely if you're solving a mains question of clerk, that can be asked in the PO prelims, correct? Now please don't get confused. I am asking the question of mains that can be asked in SBI PO prelims or SO. Also I would say for the SO also, those who are preparing for SO, they can also come and see this session. Again, a very important session for all of them, isn't it? So can you please say hi and hello? Should I start the class now? This is the agenda that we are going to discuss today. This is the agenda that we are going to discuss today. Can you say hi, hello guys? Come on, that would be great. Can you say hi, hello so that we can discuss? Come on guys. Hello, Dolly. So first question is in front of you, as you can see. First question is in front of you guys, come on. And as I have mentioned also, this was SBI Clerk 2023 question. Please answer me. First answer I got from Mehak, as she always give me the first answer, which is option number A. Anybody else? Anybody else can answer? A. Okay, very good, Dolly. Okay, so guys, see, have a look. First of all, we have 3x minus 2 ka whole square. Then I can write 3x minus 2 is equal to plus 4 and 3x minus 2 is equal to minus of 4. Okay. Now you can just say exactly that. Okay. First of all, you are getting the value as in x equals to 2. Okay. Second, you are getting as in minus 2 and this would be half. So x equals to minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3. These are the value. Now this is 7 and this is 4. So the value would be minus 4 and minus 3. Minus 4 and minus 3. Is this clear? If this is minus 4 and minus 3, this is minus 4 and minus 3, and this is 2 and minus 2. How you can compare? Now guys, minus 4. Now you can see that x is greater. Anyhow you can see that x is greater. And this is what? It's basically 1 by 3 is 33.33. This is basically 66.6 is again that is greater. So can I say that x is greater than y? X is greater than y. Option number A is the correct answer for this. So is it true? A is the correct answer, everyone. Understood? And again, I am not joking. This question was asked in SBI Clerk Mains. Okay, guys, please come on, solve second one. Do like it as well. Please like. Dolly, can you share? Okay, see. X square minus 3x minus 10. First of all, this thing. Now you know the term that we basically break out this number to make this 5 and 2. First of all, if I'll write down here, see if I can write minus 5 and plus 3. Make sense? No. Minus 5 and plus 2, sorry. This should be minus 5 and plus 2 would give me minus 3, but the roots are always negative. What that should be plus 5 and minus 2. These are the roots, correct? Now you have 4y plus 7. Just wait, okay? Now you have basically 4y plus 7 ka square is equal to 9. First of all, you can write 4y plus 7 is equal to minus 9, and then 4y plus 7 is equal to plus 9. Isn't right? Now see, that will go minus 9 and plus 7 again would give you minus only. So you can write down that's from here the y is equal to minus 2.5. Okay, and from here, because 7 minus this will be a minus 1, so 4y plus 7 is equal to minus 1. Is it correct? These are the roots you are getting, everyone. Minus 1 and minus 2.5. Is this clear? Come on, say. You guys are getting the same roots. So from here, what you can compare in anything? Can you compare anything? Yes or no? Can you compare anything? So first you have 5 and then 2.5. So x and y, x is greater, plus 5 and minus 1, x is greater, minus 2 minus 2.5. Which one is the correct answer? Okay, no relation is there, option number C, because this kind of relation is being made. Oh, sorry, my bad. This is calculated this. Minus 3 and plus 3. Okay, fine. Hi, Relax. How are you? Let's go for next one. Now see, this is basically 48 by x square minus 26 by x plus 3 is equal to 0. So this is the equation. This is 105 plus y square plus 2 is equal to 29 by y. This is the equation. I have written the question here. Visible now? You have 48. This is anyone? Please solve. Let me solve this section for all of you so that it would be like you guys should get everything out of it. Okay. No relation. Okay, just wait. So guys, the actual question is what? Actual question is 48 by x square minus of 26 by x plus 3, okay, is equal to 0. How we can solve? This would become 3x square minus 26x plus 48 is equal to 0. Am I right? Now this you can solve. Now what is this basically? How you can solve this? See, this is how much? 16 into 3. 16 into 3 and this 3 also, because this 3 will also come. Okay, 16 into 3 into 3. How can we make? Now guys, what is the logic that we need to apply? Can you say? This is 4 into 4 also. But that is how you need to be very clear when you are applying. This is also 4 into 4. 4 into 4. Now can we do anything out of it? Come on. It is 26. 18 and 8. 18 and 8. Can it's possible 18 and 8? Come on, say 2 just 6. Yes. Is it basically possible? Now is it possible that plus 18 and plus 8. Am I right? 18 and 8 can be possible, na? See, but you have coefficient. Just wait, don't do anything. Just remember, this is your first part. I'll say you what to do the next. Okay, and this is very beautiful question, guys. Let's come to the second question. Second question is 105 by y ka square. 105 by y ka square plus 2 is equal to 29 by y. So this was the question. Okay, this is the question basically. How we can solve? Now what we can do here, can we write down 2y ka square, 2y square, because if you will multiply, that will be 2y ka square minus 29y plus what, 105 plus 105 is equal to 0. This is our second equation. Okay, now how can we solve this? 14 and minus of 14 and minus of 15 will give me 29. Okay, fine. I hope you're good at it. Now the roots would be what? Plus 14 and plus 15. But we forgot about the coefficients. Cross multiply the coefficient. Coefficient of x square will be multiplied by this, and coefficient of y square will be multiplied by this number. This is basically how much? 18 2s are 36 and 8 2s are 16. These are the actual roots of this equation. Okay, now if you will multiply this will become 42 and then 45. Now you can compare the values. Now if you will compare the values, you will get that at any cost y is greater, so x is less than y. Please say, is this clear to all of you? Yes or no? Is this clear? Everyone? This is a trick to is this clear how we are multiplying the roots? Okay, hi, how are you? Let's go for next question. Come on, solve. All the questions are for the mains level, because if you will go for the mains level, definitely you can solve a prelims question. This is again, guys, SBI clerk mains. So I am asking the question of the mains level, and through the mains question you are practicing for the pre. Anyone please solve? E, okay. Okay, this is 2x square minus 49x plus 272 is equal to 0. Am I right? Again, guys, don't forget that you need to break the number. This is 68 into 4. This is 68 into 4. This is what? 17 into what can I say? This is 17 into 4. This is 17 into 4 into 4 and into 2. This is also 2. Now 4 2s are 8 and 8 into 4 is 32. So 32 and 17. 32 and 17, yes. So this is minus 32 and minus 17. This can give you plus ka 32 and plus ka 17. This is divided by 2 and this is also divided by 2. Makes sense? This is basically 16 and this is basically how much? 8.5, I can say. Correct? Now let's come to the second part. If I come to the second part, this is y square. This is y square minus of 40y plus ka 384 is equal to 0. Now break out this number 384. 384 is basically how much? 48 into 8. This is basically 48 into 8 and 48 is 16 into 3. 16 into 3 into 8 and we have a, okay, 16 into 3 is 4. Now we need to figure it out. 8 3s are 24. Okay, that's fine. This is 16 plus 24. Yeah. So the roots would be plus 16 and plus 24. Now which one is greater, everyone? Now firstly you can say that one sign would be of equals to. This is equals to y is greater than or equals to x. No, there would be also equals to, na? Equals to will be also there because 116 is coming here and 116 is also here. What's your name? Is this clear, everyone? Please say yes or no. E is the correct answer. Yes, basically E is the correct answer for this. Okay. Let's go for next one. Come on, solve. Again, this is SBI clerk mains question, okay? Yeah. X into x minus 5 plus 20 divided by x is equal to 9 minus x. Please solve. Wait, everything will be done. Wait. I would request that guys do share the session so that everyone can understand about this kind of thing, okay? So guys, first I need to solve this, okay? Have I got the answer? C, okay, C. Let's understand. So, x multiplied by x minus 5 plus 20 would be equal to 9x minus x square, correct? Now this is basically x square minus of 5x plus, I would say 20 is equal to 9x minus x square. So this is x square will give you 2x square minus of 14x plus 20 is equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation which we need to solve. Now as you want, it's up to you. This is 20 into 2, 40. 40 is becoming like how much? 14. So 10 and 4. Okay, 10 and 4. So I would say plus 10 and plus 4 divided by 2, and this is also divided by 2. The actual roots would be 5 and 2. Correct? Let's come here. Now see, this is y square plus 2 root 17y is 2 root 17y minus of 52 is equal to, this is under root is what? 17 into 2 into 2. So this would be again 2 root 17y. This will cancelled out. Correct? Makes sense? Guys, this is yeah. So y square is equal to 52. Y would be equal to under root of 52. Under root of 52, guys, the nearest square about this number is what? The nearest square is 49. So this is around 7 point something. 7 point something. Let us come. Plus minus 7 point something, na? So you have like plus 7 and minus 7, correct? So let's compare x and y. Okay. First, 5, y is greater. 5 minus x is greater. The answer is option number C, relation cannot be defined. Option number C, the relation cannot be established. Is it clear? Is this clear, everyone? Harsh, is it clear to you? I would request, guys, that do like the session, everyone. Do like the session. Can you please say, is it clear? Sir, nice muscles. Okay. What's your good name, by the way? I don't know your name. Can you please say your name? Your Sachu F6D. What's your name, basically? All clear. Okay, should I repeat? First of all, you need to solve this equation x into x minus 5 plus 20 divided by x equals to 9 minus x. If you will do the cross multiplication, you will get the equation 2x square minus 14x plus 20. Then see, again you need to multiply this 2 by 20, 2 into 20 is 40. How 40 can become? How 40 can become 14? 40 can become 14 when you multiply 10 into 4. So minus 10 and minus 4. Okay, but the roots are always positive because in case of negative, so that would be plus 10 and plus 4 divided by the coefficient of x square, which is 2. So this is 5 and 2. Here you can break out, see, main hurdle in this question was root of 68y. 68 is basically 17 into 4. In the root it will be taken out, it will become 2 root 17. That's simple now. Please solve. 1 by 4x square plus 3 by 4x plus 2. Y square plus 1 into 1 by 2y plus 1 by 4. Or you can just miss it out. You can write down this 1 by root 4. Okay. Every question we are discussing is asked in the exam. Okay. Guys, do share the session, everyone. So that would be great. See, if you can solve SBI clerk mains level question, then automatically you can solve SBI PO pre-level question. C. Okay, some of you are answering me C. Let me check. So this becomes, so see guys, this becomes basically 5 by 4 x square. This becomes how much? 5 by 4. This becomes 4 3s are 12. Okay, come on, write on this 3 1 by, that would be now great. 4 3s are 12. 13 by 4x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now this becomes 5x square plus 13x plus 8, 4 2s are 8 equals to 0. This is the equation that you should get. Okay. Now 8 5s are 40, 8 5s are 40, minus 8 and minus 5, correct? But don't forget you have a coefficient of x also. Coefficient of x square is 5. Just wait, because here also you are having coefficient. Okay. Y square 3 by y square plus 3 by 2y plus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. Am I right? So this will become 2y square plus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Now 2 becoming, so the roots would be minus 2 and minus 1. Minus 1. Okay. Now just cross multiply. Okay. Roots. The coefficient of x square will be get multiplied with the this one, and y square will be get multiplied with the this one. So this becomes 6 minus 16 and minus of 10, and this will become minus of 10, minus of 10 and minus of 5. Which one is greater, guys? Clearly you can say that x is less than and equal to y. Which option? X is less than equal to y. Option number E. So many of you have done this wrong, I would say. E is the correct answer, no? Understood, everybody? Come on, say. Is this clear? Okay, that's fine. Try. Come on, try. Again, IBPS RRB clerk mains question. IBPS RRB clerk mains question. Please solve. Answer me fast, guys, if you can solve. Just wait, just wait. This is the level of the class, okay? C. Okay, let me check. 9x square minus 13x plus 12. Okay. 12 nines is 108. So can I break this number like C? 4 into 3. And this is 3 ka square. First of all, 9. Now, this will give you 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 4 is 31. Correct? So the roots would be plus ka 27 and plus ka 4 divided by 9, and this is also divided by 9. 9 3s are, this is 9, 3 and this is 4 by 9. First root. X square and 9. 9 is, I need to make 9 as an 8. So minus 9 and plus 1 will give you 8. Roots would be plus 9. Roots would be plus 9 and minus 1 divided by the coefficient which is 3. So this is also 3 and this is also 3. If this is 3, this will give you plus 3 and minus 1 by 3. Okay, these are basically roots of another equation. Is it right, everyone? Now they are asking what? Find the product of the smaller root of the equation. Which one is the smaller root? You need to say smaller root is which one? And the bigger root of the equation 2. Bigger root of equation 2 is what? Bigger root of equation 2 is basically 3 and smaller root of equation 1 is basically 4 by 9. So multiplied by 4 by 9. Am I right? Say. Am I right? So 3 3s are. So 4 by 3 is the answer. Some of them are solving like, what is the question saying? Some of you are answering me x is less than y. X is y. This is a question of exact answering, guys. I haven't given you the option. The answer would be 4 by 3. Where is the option written? So some of you are answering me C. Why C? Please solve. Mahek, right now you're answering 4 by 3. Earlier you haven't answered 4 by 3. One by 16, okay. One by 4 also I'm getting as an answer. 6x square 36. 36 is 9 and 4. Okay. So guys, roots would be minus 9 and minus 4 divided by 6 divided by 6. Simplify, I can say minus 3 by 2 and minus 2 by 3. Two roots are like that. Okay. Now they're asking find the value of 64a, but what we need to take the value of 64a? Come on, can you say something out of it? They are asking highest root. Highest root is basically 1 by 2. The highest is basically minus 2 by 3. Am I right? So 64 power minus 2 by 3. Now 1 upon 64 power 2 by 3. This is 1 upon 4 का cube का power 2 by 3. 3 cancelled out. This is 1 by 16 is the answer. Option C. Make sense? Please solve. This is another question, I would say beautiful question. If the two roots of the quadratic is given 1 by 5 and 2 by 3, which equation is correct? A very good question. See, this question is asked in SBI clerk mains. And when any one of you know the reason, then you can solve this question. B. Okay. First of all, guys, you need to understand theory involved in it. The theory is x square minus, let's suppose the roots are alpha and beta. So x square minus sum of roots into x and then plus product of roots, means alpha into beta is equal to 0. This is the first point. Just put the value x square minus 1 by 5 plus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5 2 by 15. This is basically 2 by 15 is equal to 0. Now if I would take this, becomes how much cross multiply 3 and 2, 13, because you can solve this only by cross multiplying. 3 into 2 is 13. 15x square minus 13x plus 2 is equal to 0. This is your main equation. 15x square minus 13x plus 2 equals to option number B. Clear? Again, see, the point of watching this session is that when you are solving the mains level question, SBI clerk mains level question, again I would say, when you are solving SBI clerk mains level question, automatically you can solve SBI clerk mains level question. It's it's guarantee that you can solve a PO pre-level question. So the reason behind it was simple, that I should increase the level of the question. So the best part is that why not we should solve question from the mains. So that would be helpful for all of you. Yeah, come on, can you? This is based on other question, I would say. Come on, the same equation which you figure it out. The same equation, guys, which you figure it out, you can use that and then solve. Which was that? 15x square minus 13x plus 2 is equal to 0. This was your equation for question number 12. Guys, come on, slowly answer. These are very good questions, everyone. See, first of all, they are saying divide this equation by 2. If you do so, this becomes 7.5 x square minus 6.5x plus 1. Okay. Now here they are saying to add 2.5 plus 2.5 x square minus 0.5x. Okay, is equal to 0. Now they are saying this one. Okay. Now this would be 10x square minus how much? 0.5 minus 7x plus 10 is equal to 0. Am I right? Not 10, it would be 1. It would be 1. So this equation will be reduced to this equation. Is this clear? Find the product of the roots of the newly formed equation. What is product of the roots? Now product of root is C by A. This is C by A. C by A means what? 1 by 10. So my answer is basically 1 by 10. Is this clear, everyone? Is this clear? So I think now you are watching and you are seeing that what the level of question we are discussing in the class. Agenda was quite simple. As I repeatedly am saying that we are here to discuss the question which are already been asked in the mains. SBI Clerk Mains 2023. So all the questions that we are discussing here is basically SBI Clerk Mains questions. Okay. Now the reason is again because you know SBI PO Prelims can do anything in the quadratic part. So I haven't taken the easier question this time. Earlier in some of my videos I have taken the easier question of the quadratic, but in today's session I haven't taken the easier questions. I hope the session was really fine and it would be helping you and giving you the other way of looking the quadratic equations. Is there any doubt, any kind of thing? Now guys, next class is basically on the topic. Anything else you can ask me right now straight away if you have any doubt. I would give you one homework, which is this one. Can you solve this, guys? This is SBI IBPS PO mains question. Okay. This is IBPS PO mains question. I am giving you this as an homework. You can take the screenshot. Now guys, every day from Monday, please take the screenshot. Can you take the screenshot, everyone? IBPS PO mains question. Okay, please take the screenshot. I hope you guys have taken. Now see, every day we have a class, guys. Do not forget about it. Every day we have a class. You can follow this channel. Okay, let me just show you that every day we are having a class. See, so on 15th we are having a class on number series and wrong number series. Guys, 15th we are having a class on number series and wrong number series. You can come and join. Till then, I hope you really enjoyed the class. Bye bye everyone. Bye guys. Take care. Shining off. Agnimitra. Bye guys. Bye bye.